Introducing the Sibby travel system with LiteMax 35 infant car seat by Evenflo. A fully featured travel system that fits you, your child, and your family as it grows by including a removable ride-along board that supports a toddler-aged child up to 50 pounds. This unique feature gives little legs a break by allowing a sibling easy on and off access to ride with or walk beside as she chooses. An oversized store-it basket has plenty of storage and convenient front and back access. The 3-position footrest adjusts for better seating comfort. A removable bumper bar allows for easy in and out access. The car seat-inspired 5-point harness helps ensure safe seating. The adjustable backrest reclines for the perfect napping position. A removable flex-style cup holder snugly holds varying cup sizes to minimize spills. The comfortable sport-style handle grips are specifically designed with more space and grip surface to allow a growing sibling to ride along. And the in-seat strap pulls up for a quick and easy fold. The Sibby travel system also includes the easiest car seat to carry. Evenflo's LiteMax 35 is lighter than other infant car seats and features an exclusive ergonomic handle designed to tuck in the bend of your arm for maximum strength, stability, and comfort. The car seat easily moves from the vehicle base to the stroller with a secure connection, making your back and forth with baby a breeze. Because strolls are better when shared. The Sibby travel system with LiteMax 35 infant car seat by Evenflo